Welcome to Maths with Paru. Today I shall be discussing a question from June 2019 P2 paper. It's question 8 and it's based on logarithms. Let's have a look at the first part of the question. We have to solve 8 to the power 2x plus 1 equals 6. Let's begin. The first thing we're going to do is we shall take the logarithm of both sides. Now we know that log of 8 to the power 2x plus 1 can be written as 2x plus 1 log of 8, and that's equal to log of 6. Next, I shall divide both sides by log of 8. Now I shall be considering logarithm to the base 2, since that's what the question is about. Now I want to break down 6 as 2 into 3, because I know the logarithm laws of log of 2 into 3 is the same as log of 2 plus log of 3. I'm also going to convert 8 as 2 to the power 3. That's in the denominator. So now my numerator becomes log of 2 plus log of 3, and my denominator can be written as log of 2 to the power 3 is the same as 3 times log of 2, which is what I do. My next step would be to simplify as much as possible. I can write log of 2 base 2 as 1. So my numerator becomes 1 plus log of 3. And my denominator, since log of 2 base 2 is 2, 3 times log of 2 base 2 just becomes 3. Now I shall cross multiply. I have 3 into 2x plus 1 equals 1 plus log of 3. Expanding the bracket gives you 6x plus 3 equals 1 plus log of 3. And then I divide both sides by 6 after I have moved the 3 to the right-hand side. So moving the 3 to the right-hand side gives you minus 3 plus 1, which is minus 2. Dividing everything by 6 gives you x is equal to minus 2 over 3, which is the same as minus 1 over 3, plus 1/6 of log of 3. Now we have been asked to write the answer in a certain format. So here we have a is equal to minus 1 over 3 and b is equal to 1 over 6. I shall now be discussing the second part. The question is that we use logarithm laws to solve the following equation. Log of 7 minus 2y minus 2 log of y plus 1 minus 1. The first thing I shall be doing is I shall be making sure that I take the 2 in front of log of y plus 1 as a power and rewriting it as log of y plus 1 squared. So that's the first step that I do. My second step would be to bring the 1 to the left-hand side, and then I shall make it a plus 1, and I shall take the log of 7 minus 2y to the right-hand side and make it a minus log of 7 minus 2y. My next step would be to combine the logarithms using the logarithm laws. We all know that log of a minus log of b is equal to log of a over b, and that's exactly what I shall be doing in my next step. 1 is equal to log of y plus 1 squared divided by 7 minus 2y. Now my next step is to rewrite that equation as a power. So the base 5 is taken up and we write 5 to the power 1 is equal to y plus 1 squared divided by 7 minus 2y. Now cross multiplying, I get 5 into 7, which is 35, minus 5 into 2y, which is 10y, minus 10y, and I expand y plus 1 squared to make it y squared plus 2y plus 1. My next step would be to collect all the terms onto the right-hand side and equate it to 0 so that we have a quadratic equation. And we have 0 is equal to y squared minus 12y minus 34. We have a classic quadratic equation which we want to solve using the easiest method we know, which is the quadratic formula. For that, we shall say that a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 12, and c is equal to b is equal to plus 12 and c is equal to minus 34. So here we have, using the quadratic formula, we have y is equal to minus 12 plus or minus square root of 280 divided by 2. Now, we know that we can use our calculator, so I shall go straight to the next step, which is minus 6 plus, I divide everything by 2, so I get minus 6 plus or minus 70. Now I shall be considering the values itself, which is y, and we are taking the logarithms of these values. Now we can only take the logarithm of positive numbers. So therefore, y plus 1 has to be positive, and 7 minus 2y greater than also has to be positive. For that, we can only have one solution, which is y is equal to minus 6 plus square root of 70. That is our only solution. Thank you for watching. Until my next video, goodbye.